Today on It Is a Keeper, I'm showing you how to make a skillet beef pot pie. This easy beef pot pie is filled with tender beef and hearty veggies, nestled into a rich and decadent sauce and topped with tender biscuits. It's warm, comforting, and incredibly delicious. Begin by par-baking refrigerated biscuits. Next, add oil to a skillet over medium-high heat and add your beef. Because this is a 30-minute recipe, I like to use steak instead of stew meat. The steak will cook up tender quickly. Once your steak is browned, remove it from the skillet. Leaving the drippings in the pan, add diced onion, garlic, rosemary, and thyme. Next, we're gonna add red wine. Make sure you use a good quality red wine that you would actually drink, because as it cooks down, it's going to concentrate the flavor. Next, stir in flour. This is going to help thicken our sauce. Now we're going to add flavor: tomato paste, Worcestershire sauce, and beef broth. Stir it up and bring it to a boil, then turn it down to a simmer. It's going to thicken up nicely. Next, add frozen mixed vegetables to the skillet and add your beef back in. Stir it around so everything's combined. Now we're going to make the topping. It starts with butter, and we're going to add garlic powder, rosemary, and thyme, and melt it in the microwave. Then, place your par-baked biscuits on top of the beef mixture, and brush it with that luscious butter. Make sure you cover every bit of the biscuit, the tops, the sides, all around. You don't want anything to go uncovered. Next, we're going to pop it in the oven for about 10 minutes, and then it's time to eat. Thanks for watching. You can get the full printable recipe in the video description below. Make sure you like, follow, and subscribe so you don't miss a single recipe, and check out the rest of my videos where you can find my favorite easy recipes. I'll see you next time. Bye!